Welcome back to the Midwest Mixer. Today we are going to be making the tropical Kiwi Coconut Bliss. This may be my favorite cocktail. It is so good, especially when you're in the Midwest right now, and it is a popsicle. So I'm gonna drink anything that it takes me to a nice toasty beach. To start off, we're gonna need a few things. We are going to need our shaker tin, our jigger, our coupe glass, of course ice. Make sure that you have peeled your kiwi and taken all the skin off of it. So I have a full kiwi that's going to be going into this cocktail. We have fresh lime juice. Make sure it's fresh. It'll make all the difference in the world. I'm bougie. I need fresh juice. That's all I'm saying. We're also going to need cream of coconut. You're going to need Elderflower Liqueur. And of course, your favorite brand of White Rum. Let's get into it. We're going to put the entire kiwi into our shaker tin, and then we are going to muddle that. Thankfully, my kiwi is already nice and ripe, so I don't need to do a ton of muddling. Then we will add 0.75 ounces of our lime juice. Whew, just had enough there. Then we're gonna do 0.75 ounces of coconut cream. And if you're like me, I always struggle to get my coconut cream out. What I recommend is make sure before you take a video to let it get to room temperature first. Make sure you get all of that delicious coconutty goodness out of your jigger to the best of your ability. Then we're gonna go in with 0.5 ounces of Elderflower Liqueur. Then to finish off, we'll add 2 ounces of your favorite brand of White Rum. As always, we're going to fill our shaker tin all the way to the top with ice. Pop the top on, and we're going to shake this until the shaker tin is nice and cold in our hand. Now, since we used fresh juice on this, you are going to want to make sure that you are double straining. So you want to use your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer. Aside from just the lime juice going into this one, because you use the kiwi and it's got those tiny little seeds in there and we muddled it, that's going to also be something that your mesh strainer is going to be real apt to catch when it comes to making this cocktail. And as you can see, it's taking a little bit to get through there because it's got that fresh kiwi. You can always tap that mesh strainer, give it a little bit of a helping hand to get it through. Got a decent amount of pulp going through there, but that is okay. All right, we've got the majority of it in our beautiful coupe glass. And then we're gonna take that last little sliver that we saved from our kiwi, and that is what we are going to use as our garnish. Hopefully it'll stay where I want it to. And there we have it. We have our very tropical Kiwi Coconut Bliss. Until the next pour, guys. Cheers.